So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pickup stick and the stick shuttle and how they are used together. So to get your pickup stick set, you want to put it over under every warp thread. So you're just going over under the whole width. So now you've got the pickup stick in between the warp threads, creating a top set and a bottom set. So the stick shuttle is a great way to have a lot of yarn on it. Instead of weaving with a really long tail of yarn, it's more compact, it's not flying all over the place. To weave with your stick shuttle, I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to weave from left to right over under every yarn, every warp thread. So the yarn going vertical is your warp yarn, the yarn going horizontal is your weft yarn. And so once you get it through, you create this little arc, and then I like to use a weaving comb to push it down. You want to pack it down. Coming back, then we use the pickup stick, flip it up like that, and then you can just simply slide your stick shuttle through, and then you put it down, make the arc, and then pack it down. So this is how to do a basic weave on the weaving frame using the pickup stick and the stick shuttle.